Welcome back to Mommy's Closet. So today's the 5th. The 4th was yesterday. I am about to release this video at some point today on the 5th. The girls had a great 4th of July. And then for some reason, our finale box, it had 600 shots, malfunctioned. It was great until a point. We're all safe, everybody's good, kids are at summer camp right now, but take a look.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Hours later.
This is the point where it gets a little scary. All I can do is advise you guys, if you're out with your kids and you're doing any fireworks, to stay close to them so you can grab them, so you can get them safe as quick as possible. But yeah, take a look. You guys be safe out there.
Be scared of this one. Oh wow.